Discover the secret to transforming your English in just days. Ready to master adverbs of frequency and sound like a native speaker? Don't miss out. In this video, we will practice intermediate-level English grammar. I recommend having a pencil and notebook handy to take notes during the activities.
Welcome B1 level English grammar students. We are delighted to extend the warmest welcome to our English grammar practice session. We sincerely appreciate your attendance and participation in this session, which we are confident will greatly assist in strengthening your language proficiency. Without further ado, let's get started. We are excited to delve into the fascinating aspects of English grammar and work together to achieve new levels of linguistic competence. Go ahead and enjoy the learning experience.
Adverbs of frequency. Guided practice for intermediate-level grammar students. Explanation. Adverbs of frequency describe how often an action occurs. They can indicate a definite frequency, exact times, or an indefinite frequency, general frequency. These adverbs typically answer the question, how often, and are commonly placed before the main verb in a sentence. However, when the main verb is to be, they are placed after it. Examples. Always. The action happens every time without exception. Example. She always drinks coffee in the morning. Usually. The action happens most of the time. Example. They usually go for a walk after dinner. Often. The action happens frequently, but not as much as usually. Example. He often reads books before bed. Sometimes. The action happens occasionally, not regularly. Example. We sometimes eat out on weekends. Never. The action does not happen at all. Example. I never watch horror movies. That's a list of the most common examples of adverbs of frequency used in daily language. Let's start with the first activity. Instruction. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Fill in the blanks. Never. Often. Always. Usually. Sometimes. Sarah goes to the gym before work. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. They watch TV after dinner. We travel abroad during the summer. He drinks soda because he prefers water. If you want to access our premium educational content, go to the link provided in the video description. Let's start with the second activity. Instruction. Reorder the sentences correctly. Rearrange the following words to form correct sentences using the adverbs of frequency. Always. Usually. Often. Sometimes. Never. Breakfast I at eat 8 a.m. Coffee drinks John morning in the weekend Sarah watches TV on. Peter late is for work. Exercise evening they the in. Answers for Activity 1 and Activity 2. Fill in the blanks. Sarah always goes to the gym before work. I usually eat breakfast at 7 a.m. They often watch TV after dinner. We sometimes travel abroad during the summer. He never drinks soda because he prefers water. Rearrange the following words to form correct sentences using the adverbs of frequency. Always. Usually. Often. Sometimes. Never. Breakfast I at eat 8 a.m. The correct sentence is: I always eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Coffee drinks John morning in the. The correct sentence is: John often drinks coffee in the morning. Weekend Sarah watches TV on. The correct sentence is: Sarah sometimes watches TV on weekends. Peter late is for work. The correct sentence is: Peter is usually late for work. Exercise evening they the in. The correct sentence is: They never exercise in the evening.
Thank you for joining us, B1 level grammar students. We sincerely appreciate you watching our practice video. We hope it has been very helpful and that you found the content valuable. Remember, perseverance is the key to success. See you next time.